It's late, yeah. Hello and welcome. Never been 5 minutes late, but except for today, so apologies for that. And we're going to be showing you a beautiful festive pieces just for this season. You know, you have to be dressed up in Neve. Sare occasions round the corner hai. And what we are also doing for you is showing you lots of stunning dupattas. So you can of course go for complete suit sets, make elaborate outfit, go for just a suit, just a dupatta. Everything is available for you. So I really look forward to the kind of looks that you're going to be created. Hello and a very warm welcome to everyone who's joining in. Of course, not to forget international free shipping above 20,000 all of this month. And yes, as I said, I'm sure I'm not sure if you're going to be able to extend it next month, but for this month 20,000 is definitely there. Or festivity hai to ekdam make sure that you use that. Okay, what we have for you are some beautiful pieces. I'm not going to take some time. Like I'm going to start right away with showcasing you all of that I have today. Now, the first thing that I'm wearing is the stunning orange Paidni dupatta. For my base, I'm wearing a tissue fabric. It's a woven self weave design, and I'm going to be showing you many colors in it that we have launched for this season. So, of course, when you're talking about this green color, it's super versatile. It will work with every piece that you're going to be seeing in contrast. And on many materials. So whether it's silk, whether it's georgette, it's going to be looking nice. I have done a same on this tissue, of course, and wearing this gorgeous shade in Paidni dupattas. These are all, ready to be shipped out today. I'm going to be showing it to you like this now so that you can have your full look. There you go. Here it is. This is one beautiful dupatta. Yes, we have lots of pieces today, so you should stay tuned. It's going to be fast, quick, to be able to show you all of these pieces. So that's the fabric that I'm wearing. You can see it right here. You can see the self design, but this season we have launched many collections in it in new colors. So look at that. That's a gorgeous one. Wear it with a red, wear it with a pink, wear a dyeable dupatta in matching with it. That will also work. This is 6,800 per meter. This is 5,800 per meter. So there is that 200 difference. This is 5,800. This is 6,000 per meter. So showcasing some beautiful colors in it. I love this. There's so many things that are going to look amazing with it. But, even just the fabrics, very, very nice. Very nice. And a stunning shade of pink. Now look at that. It's a very beautiful one. Now with this particularly, I think yellow looks very nice. Especially because isme ki touch hai halka sa. So yeah, these are really good. Now the weave and all of this is light gold. When you see this, it's so subtle that it just kind of makes a really nice base for you. And we do have some very stunning new launches. The live just before, on Saturday evening. Hope you have caught that one. Of course, the Hiranya launch 2 from Taj Mahal. So, hope you have seen those. And if not, then this is the one where you're going to be finding the pieces that you've been looking for. Now, look at that. That's the last color in this tissue. But what I'm also going to do with it is show you this very beautiful fabric along with it. This is a two-tone color fabric, 4,800 per meter. Wear it for your top and bottom. Wear it in combination with this. So, what I'm going to say is that wear this for your bottom and a long kurta, and then create a beautiful jacket in tissue with it. That's going to look amazing. For jackets, typically for a 42, 44 width fabric, you will need about 4 to 5 meters depending on your size and the style that you're going to opt for. But that's what you're looking for. So if you're going to be wearing this in combination, maybe accentuate the collar of your jackets or even a long kurta, this as your bottom, as a lehenga. You can even probably use it as a dupatta, though these are a little heavy to use as dupatta, but very, very stunning. So that was about, these beautiful fabrics. This is one color and I've shown you 4 more. All of them in the same design. This is from an earlier, collection that I am wearing. I love this one. It's such a neutral base. Now let's get started with one masterpiece that we have for you. I have one masterpiece of a fabric. The last time that we launched it, I think it was from Chandika. It was from the same series. They're all different designs going on at a very different, pace, because dheere dheere bante hain, and it's one masterpiece of a fabric launching for the very first time in this stunning red. Yes, look at this. This is a heritage weave, completely made in Karwa in the Sona Rupa, and with a touch of this, bright royal blue and emerald green Meena. It is one of our stunners from today, and it's a new launch. Yes, I have one cut remaining in this. It's a masterpiece and made by our master weavers. This is, tons of work and research again going behind this beautiful piece. Now, what you can do, and I will open this, is this is, I think, 3 meter, which will be good for you to make a nice kali kurta. It's a full width fabric. Look at the beautiful detail right there. Now, when you're wearing this, of course, you could be wearing any of the heavier pieces that you have. But what I also want to show you is a light dupatta that will make sure that the entire emphasis of this piece remains on this beautiful, gorgeous fabric. Never seen before. This is the first time that we have made it. One cut only for you to be seeing, and there you go. You can see it right there. So the stunning red dupatta in Karwa, and then we are going to be, pairing up with this. Now, when you're wearing a fabric like this, and let me just show it to you again, you don't want to lose even an inch. Okay, price on request. You can check on the price. But look at the beauty, look at the detailing, look at the Nakshi work in each smallest detail that you see. It's an absolute masterpiece. So this one 3 meter cut, that's all that we've been able to make for you, to be able to show you. Wear it with that red dupatta, wear it with a heavier one. I will wait to see how you will design this. But you will need a dupatta and a plain silk bottom, because baki sab beauty isi piece mein hi hai. So there you go. That's one masterpiece for you today. Yes, absolutely beautiful. And we're going to go on to lots of different kinds of pieces that I have for you today. First things first, first I thought I would wear this dupatta, and it's a stunner of a color and the Meena. This one is our Georgette dupatta. You have seen this, the design. We are now making all of these wonderful colors in it. So you can see it's a such an amazing, it's a sage green color, this brilliant motif in Meena right there. And on the sides you will see all of these, Konya Ambi design right there. Now I have some very, very lovely colors to showcase to you, which I'm going to be doing now. So that's the first one. Each one of these dupattas, yes, tassels can be done if you prefer it without it, that is also possible. Next up in this one is a black, and you can see it right here. So look at the stun. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, sometimes that evokes a reaction. Even I'm stunned by the effect of these pieces. And of course, black hai to kya kehna. Look at that wonderful, wonderful piece. You will see there is this floral. It almost looks like a polka, but this is a floral motif. This very beautiful, very stunning piece. You could be, and yes, it will look amazing on the color that I'm wearing. So your complete outfit is going to be this green tissue fabric, and then you're going to be wearing this dupatta on it. Now, the thing is that you see the look is tissue on tissue, but if not, then you can go for a plain silk bottom. That also kind of works well. And then you're going to be wearing this stunner of a dupatta. Each one super, super special. This one, in a very beautiful black. This one is your piece for that Diwali night look for sure. Now the next one is this one. Here you go. That's that. So be it Karwa Chauth, as I said, be it Diwali, and of course बहुत सारे weddings है उसके बाद. So for all of that, oh my God, isn't this just stunning? Look at this beautiful color. I think we have tried the maroon color for the very first time, and boy am I glad that we did it. Now look at that. Here it is. You can see all of the beauty. And now, there's now that whole definite reason of why green is a signature. Every color that you will see will work fabulously well with it. It's such an amazing base, to all your pieces, and especially this, the zaris that are coming through. So there you go. This one incredible piece for you. Here you go. and absolutely amazing. 3 colors, 1 piece for you. Now, इसके बाद कुछ दुपट्टे दिखाएं, so I'm going to be doing some sets. Now, first things first, I'm going to be doing this set for you. This is a really nice neutral color, 6800 per meter piece, and मेरे पास कुछ same on same और भी colors हैं, which I'm going to be showing you. But इसके साथ जो दुपट्टा है, that is what I've been waiting to show you, and let's go for it now. Here it is. This one, yeah, it's like unveiling a garden, entire garden right here in front of you. Look at that bouquet of flowers. It's a stunning Meenakari Georgette dupatta. It's absolutely beautiful, and yes, again, wear it in contrast with tissues, wear it on a base, same on same. You could do a complete red look, but I think this is far more interesting to wear it on a contrast. It looks amazing, it feels great, it's absolutely brilliant. On the same note, now I did a complete contrast, but दो looks मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी which are absolutely perfect, but also that they are this perfect matching. Can I get a total of this one? I want to get a total of this one. This is 6,800 per meter. This dupatta 32,800, and a plain chinia silk bottom along with it. And I want to tell you the price for the entire set. It's 55,425. That's right, 55,425. That's the price for this entire gorgeous set. मेरा ये भी कहना है आपको कि अगर of course you have lots of suits, then go for the dupattas. But if you are new to this kind of collection, then मेरा ये कहना है कि बहुत सारे दुपट्टे आप लें, जरूर लें, but उसके पहले आप एक सूट try करें, something like this. You know why I say this to you? Because when you get a suit, then I know that you are going to be wearing it immediately, because complete solution है आपके सामने. So which is why I want you to wear it, because the moment you wear it, I know you're going to be with me for a long, long time. So, that's the whole idea. Keep this perfect look. This is 6,800 per meter, 32,800 dupatta, and a plain chinia silk bottom with it. It's a beautiful color. एक और इसमें color option जो मेरे पास है आपके लिए, which is going to be this one. And this pink, oh my god, it's been so popular since the last lives. And yes, we have made some of it, and we'll make more of it if you want. But for now, abhi mere paas ye ready hai. So, what happens is that, of course, we can make as much as you want, but our looms are already busy. These go on a pattern, on a looms, there's a production plan. So, agar wo khatam ho jata hai, fir wo time lagta hai बनने में वापस, but yes, of course, it can be done. But for now, in my hand, this lovely combination. Again, 55,425 for a 3-piece 2.5 meter kurta, dupatta and a bottom. और अगर आप चाहें तो आप of course इसमें ज़्यादा भी ले सकते हैं. That's also possible. Next up is this one. Now look at that. Here it is. This one, the price will be, I think, similar, because the dupatta is more. Now look at this wonderful color. It's a very dark peach color. It is actually a peach base, but it's very dark. You can see the beauty, the detailing right here. In fact, many of you saw me wear a red dupatta in this one. Some time back in the same design, you saw me wear a red. This is the absolutely lovely, a darker peach color. Very different from any color that you've seen so far. There is the dupatta, you can see. Our idea is that we're going to be showing you lots of such pieces, and so that you can get many of these looks and quick solutions for you to wear. So you don't have to worry. हम हैं आपके need के लिए, and just go. Now COD is of course available all over India. You can also of course deposit cash in our accounts. There's no issue on that. So let us know what works for you. We are very flexible with both the options, and of course for everybody who wants to make payment online, Razorpay, GPay, Paytm, of course everybody internationally, again Razorpay in any currency of your choice. Next up, and I love this one, look at that, here it is, but with this one beautiful dupatta and this. It's a stunner of a shade. Here you go. Look at the Meena, absolutely amazing. Such pop of color, that it kind of starts to look dressy. it's subtle, it's so very gorgeous, it's so neve, you know. So you can have all of these colors, you can have all of these combinations, you know, the moment you see. Now something very different, very offbeat in between all of this is our neve monogram, and you can see it. So you can see this neve monogram right here with this perfect dupatta. And yes, you know, I think it's such perfect look for the bottom. You can go for a plain silk bottom. You'll have the most classy, most beautiful look right there. So there you go. This is one for you. In between this, let's go for two dupattas that I've been meaning to show you. And this one, yes, there you go. This is a Sachi Zari dupatta. And kai baar, you know, ek cheez, you know, I want to say this, that when you ask us for pictures of Sachi Zari, it never shows the same way unless you drape it up. Now this dupatta, I send you a picture, it looks really different. When you see it like this, it's exactly like this. All of this in natural light, so you don't have to worry. One gorgeous Sachi Zari dupatta in kota, and it's absolute fluff and beauty all together in one, and this is the piece for you. So there you go. One more in kota, but now this look is absolutely different from the earlier one. This is what I want to show you. There you go. This one, gorgeous, you know. So yes, this we had designed specially for this look of this copper finish that you see. All the silver zari also in it. It's one stunning black one. So yes, all of those parties, all of those you know, events where you want to look a little different, those cocktails, you know, those friends, this is for you. Know, look at that amazing one. Now you can of course wear it with black. It's going to look absolutely mind-blowing agar aap isko black ke saath pehne. But you can also introduce some contrast like this, you know, because I think it will just kind of make it look even better. Thank you so much. You guys are always so amazing. Thank you for that. Now iske baad do suits hai aapke liye mere paas, you know, which is what I'm going to go for. Now look at that. This very different, both of them. And look at that, it comes with a plain bottom in pure georgette, and it's amazing. Look at this gorgeous piece in white. So yes, of course we'll be showing you all of those brilliant dark bright colors, but we'll also be showing you such different, you know, variations to it. Now look at that, that's your kurta. I love the fact that it's so unconventional with all of those meenas in it. Along with that, when you're wearing something as dressy as this, you don't need much. You need just a lightweight dupatta to carry off your look. So this is your kurta. I'm going to put it like this because I want you to see it. And this is your dupatta. So very different. Now, of course, tassels, jinme bhi aap chahein, sab mein ban sakte hain. So there's no problem in that. Yes, it will take time. If it's not done, that's the only thing. You can also wear it once and then send it back to us for the tassels. That can also be done. Or you know, I do have one combination. I will come back to one more suit that I have, but us beach mein I want to show you this triangle fabric launched as a part of Hiranya in this stunning blue color. But what do I have with it for you? A very beautiful dupatta to complete your look. Look at that. What a stunning color, just brightening up the screen. Now that's your perfect combination for a full look. You can see it right here. You can see there is gold, there is silver. It's a vibrant one. The blue shade and this blue meena and this perfectly matching each other. I think it's just a perfect combination. Of course, if you would like to go for just the dupatta, that's also possible. Now, you know, look at this dupatta. It's something that you cannot ever go wrong with. Ultra lightweight, super beautiful. You know, the finishing is always going to be perfect, as you can only expect with us. The detailing, look at the work that's there. It's all together in this one perfect piece. A brand new piece for you. So many new pieces launching for you in each live. And yes, they're very crisp, very small, so that you can quickly get on to the piece that you have liked. Now, again, a brand new collection that's launching, and I have just two pieces to showcase to you, is this one. Now, here you go. It's got meena. So the work that you're seeing here is a two-color meena with the gold zari. And this georgette dupatta. And guys, remember, Don't worry if you kind of feel that tassels are taking time. You can just wear it once and then you can send it back after your function, and then we will do the tassels for you. I love this one. It's so lightweight. It's so easy. Now, okay, very important to remember, the dots that you're seeing here have been woven by us. These are woven pieces. This is a peach, one. So yes, बांधनी अपनी स्पेशलिटी, ये एक स्टाइल है. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट एंड आई हैव ओनली 2 pieces in this to showcase to you. Now this is the next one that was more like peach. This is more like pink. So there is a pink and peach both in it. How is it to wear tissue? That's a very common question that we kind of get. कैसा लगता है tissue पहन के? See, I'll tell you one thing. When you wear tissue, yes, it requires the maintenance. You need to keep it very carefully. You don't need to kind of stitch it too tight. Those are the things. But once you have worn tissue and once you drape any dupatta, then you know that it is a showstopper. There is nothing you can ever go wrong with. Minimal effort in dressing it up, because ये खुद में ही इतना beautiful है कि आपको dressing up इसको you just need the bare minimum. Just the right accessories, minimal, and you are done. Now here you go. This is a very different, now 2 pieces. That was the first one. This is with a touch of pink. The first one is more only peach. So 2 pieces in georgette for you. And ek iske baad I want to in between put our figure designs, and especially the gorgeous ones, because look at that color. Isn't that just amazing? I think it's so pretty. The flow, the feel, and the stunning effect of it. And of course it's ready. All of these pieces are ready to be shipped out. अब मैं इसके साथ आपको एक और tissue. So you saw one tissue that I was wearing. Now I'm going to show you another tissue, which is again a great base. That's the fun of it. So you can see all the beauty of this piece right here. And what I will show you now is another tissue fabric that's a great base for you to kind of dress up. Any colors again you can. So this is a lighter green. This is more gold. And you can be wearing many different kind of combinations with it. So that's also a great option that you could go for. And here it is. This one stunning dupatta for you. Here you go. Now, next up is one suit that, yes, I've been wanting to show you. And there you go. So this is the Moonga silk kurta with it. Now, our natural Moongas, the colors, I think they're doing so well because, yeah, there's this very definite grace about them. That's the kurta. It comes with a plain Moonga bottom. But now let me show you, इसका जो main look है वो इस gorgeous दुपट्टे का है. And there you go, here it is. And remember, it's a set only. So that's the, look at that, that's the dupatta. This is a kurta, and I think it's just fabulous. The details, the work, all there for you to see. So that's, yes, so suit sets coming up for you. और इसी के बाद, I have 3 suit sets that I want to showcase to you, which are in Bani and hot colors just for this season. And this is how I'm going to show you. This is the kurta, and yes, these are the premium Bani sets, which means that the border that you see, the karwa, the buta that you see, entirely made in karwa. And you can see, now look at that, the gorgeous colors. That's the kurta. This is the dupatta. And I'm also going to be showcasing to you the bottom. There you go. That's the bottom for you. So that's the full 3-piece look for you in karwa weave with a very fine premium bani all over it. That was the orange. Next up, I'm going to be showing you this color. Now this is red and orange. Look at that beautiful detailing, how fine the bani is. Again, the orange story continues, but with the whole theme being red about this one. So it's red and it's this, and let's show it to you. There you go. That's your combination. That's your full look with it. There's the kurta and this is your bottom. So very striking. If you are going to be dressing up for weddings, for one perfect look, this is your piece, guys. It's absolutely perfect. कुछ नहीं कराने की जरूरत है. Of course, अगर आप चाहें इस पे हैंड वर्क करा सकते हैं. It's going to make it look only more gorgeous. But as it is. They are perfect pieces. Aise kuch, there's no need for you to really do something. Now look at that. All of this, here it is. This is your kurta again, and the bottom, I'm going to show it to you like this. The bottom, now it's a contrast depending on the same color schemes of the dupatta. There you go. Here it is. Now that's beautiful. So Bandi, Munga, Georgette dupattas, and of course there has to be a silk one, and this is your silk dupatta for today. Now this is from our super premium collection of heritage weaves in dupatta, and this is your piece that you're going to be seeing. Of course, the base is a Katan silk. Our most premium pieces will be made in Katans, will be made in cotton. So yes, that's truly, बहुत सारे questions हैं that, what are your most premium fabrics? Now, premium fabrics, they're all premium. The weave pe depend karta hai, and then if it comes to that, it doesn't get more special than this stunner piece. Now, what you're seeing here is this piece, which is actually just a piece of collection, and you will see the Meena, you will see the detail. You're going to be wearing this in contrast like this. And of course, you can do a same on same combination if red is something that you love and like. And of course, I think all of us, we cannot have at any point enough of red. It is that kind of a color. And ye to season hi hai, and you can go for this very perfect base along with it. Just see how beautiful it does. So, इसमें मैं ज़रूर recommend आपको करूँगी कि आप या तो इस पे red पहने or you wear an emerald green. Both the colors will look very, very perfect. Maybe you do have a beautiful red kurta, then you should just go for it. But I think it's absolute perfection when you see this. And this dupatta also available in a very, lovely shade of cream. That's also there. Prices are all in request. These are full size pieces, which means that you can wear it, drape it on your head, put it on one side, wear it on a lehenga, on an narkali, just basically use it as you wish. So there you go. And the last 2-3 pieces that I have, 2 pieces in fact that I have, I'm going to come up with one more patni because it's so beautiful. Here you go. This is the one, and it's such a different color. And there you go. You can see the whole look right there. Now I'm wrapping it up because then you can see the entire 2 sides of it. Yes, it's a figure piece. You can see the beauty. You can see the effect when you wear a silk as gorgeous as this one. So it has all of this motif. It also has a border and this pattern which is right there. Let's showcase it to you once more. Here it is. And then we have just one more piece for you to go. Look at that. It's brilliant and it's stunning. These colors, the way it pops out, it's everything. So here you go. This is one piece and that's the dupatta for you. The very last one is a special one, and again from our master series of dupattas alone. There you go. Here it is. So if suit is what you're looking for, you're at the right place. If fabrics is what you're looking for, you're at the right place. And if stunner statements what you're looking for, then you're absolutely at the right place. Now look at that. That one brilliant masterpiece right here in front of you in this stunning shade of pink. All of these are going to be our festive editions. You can see how wonderful it looks when you drape it up. Do check the lengths and the widths before you place your order. Now look at that. That's your complete look. You can go pink on pink. But again, to bring out the beauty of this piece, and that is what I say, when you want to bring out the beauty more, then a lighter contrast when you pick, whether it's a champagne gold, whether you're going to be wearing it with a green tissue, it will, just kind of enhance it so much more. So there you go. This wonderful last piece for you, and I'm going to give you the full glimpse right there. Place your order on WhatsApp. Come there. We have COD all over India. And of course, for international, anybody who's outside, it's free international shipping. So, you're outside India, you've been wondering, yaar, mujhe is season mein kya pehenna hai? Wear these statement pieces. Free international shipping above 20,000. So it's very easy for you to try one lovely piece of Neve. And इस season में, you know, whether it's Diwali, whether it's a season of wedding, and of course Karwa Chauth पे gift and wear neat. So really look forward to it, and come on WhatsApp and place your order now. Thank you and see you soon.